visualization, I have prepared a table and the count here. So this question is gonna ask for the hit rate and the contents of the cache at the end of each pass. Let's see the questions. It says 1 cell per word and 1 word per line. So there's no need to write out the number at the beginning because it's 1 word per line. And he has a 4-way associative set, and each set has 4 lines, which means we're gonna have 1 set, and it has 4 lines in that set. Let's do the question. 0 A. Okay, 0 A 1. Okay, I think I have a problem with creating present alphabet, so let's put it numbered instead. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3. 4 is a miss, so 4 is in here, so cross out 0 0 and 4 4. And 4, okay, this hit here. 1 5 not here, so 5 6 and 6 not here, so 6 7 4 is here. It's a hit. And okay, 4 and 5 here, hit. And 6 is here, so and 4 again. Seven, and we don't have 7. 7 here. 7 12. 8. You don't have 8 here. So 8 13. 9. You don't have 9. 9 14. And 8 8. And 7. And 6. We don't have 6 here, so let's put 6. 17. Okay, we were here. And 5. 5, we don't have 5, so put 5 here. 5 18. 450, obviously not here, it's a big number. 450, let's put the least recently used, 450, and that is number 19. A miss. 452, not here either. 452 20. 454. 454. 54, we don't have it here, so 54 21 and 454 again. That is a hit. Okay, let me put like 7. So now it's 8. I was just to see if I miss anything. The first one is the 8 out of many 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 8 out of 20. Let's do the second one. Let's put here 450, 454 here, 450 here, 5, 452. Okay, let's, which one happened first? It's 18, so 50. Second is 1, 3, 2, 4 is 3. Okay, let's do number 2. 450, yes. 50 again. 51. We don't have 51, so let's remove 51, 5, 449. We don't have 9, 6, 0, 0, 0, 7. Okay, 0, 0, 8, 9. It's 2 hit. 1, we don't have 1, so 1 here, 1, 2, we have 2, so 2, 11, 3, we don't have 3, so 3, 12, 0, we have 0, yay, 13, that's a hit, 2 is 14, and 2 again, 15, and 0. Okay, 16, 7, and 1. 1 we have here, so 17 makes it 8. We have 449. We have 449 here, so let's find footage here. 49 and 18. Okay, got 18 and again, so it's 19 and it's a hit. 448. You need 448, so let's put 448 here. 8, 20, 451. We don't have 451 here, so let's put 51 here. 1 and 2. We don't have 2, sadly. So we put 2 in here. 2, 2. So for past 2, we only have 9 out of, I guess, 20. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and I presume past 2 also has 20. Food 4, 51, 2. Copy the number from last pass. 9. Happened first is 449. Make it 0. 20. Make it 1. 21. Make it 2. 22. Make it 3. Okay, let's do this quick. 450. You don't have it, so 450 is 4. 50. 50. Here. 1. 51. Again, I must add this. 51. We don't have. 451 in here. It's number 6. 49. You don't have. Let's put here. 49. Number 7. And what I have missed? 0. Let's put it in here. 0, 8. Okay, 0, 0, 9, 10. 10. Add 2, we got 3. 1, you have 1, so put 1 here. 1, 11. 2, we don't have 2, so 2, 2 again. 13, 4, 0, 11, 5. I think we're at 1. Yes. Hold on. Yes, we're at 1. 1, we have 1 here. So make it 14. Okay. 6. 449. Okay, we don't have. Oh, we have 409 here. So let's make it 15. 7. Now we 449. 16. 8. 48. We don't have over 8, so we choose this. 8. 17. 51. 51, we don't have 51, so 451, we're gonna put here 51, and we got number 18 and 2. We have 2, so let's put 2 in here. 2, 19. So that be your hit rate. Our hit in this past 3 is 8 out of 20. And in total, the hit rate is, adding them up, 8, 9 is 17, 17, 8 is 25 out of 60. That's the hit rate. Thank you for watching. Okay, so our hit rate is, past 1 is 8 out of 20, past 2 is 9 out of 20, past 3 is 8 out of 20. Adding them up is 25 out of 60. And thank you. See you later.